Every plant you run is already telling you what's about to happen. The question is whether anyone is listening. Your operations generate 21 million signals a day. Almost none of them reach a decision maker while the decision still matters. Wages puts your entire fleet on one pane of glass. Every site, every machine, every alarm, live. Not yesterday's report, right now. Second-by-second telemetry, alarms that detect drift and escalate to the right person automatically, and a platform that mirrors your real organization from company down to the individual sensor. On the floor, operators see live values, not log files. Voltage, temperature, pressure, vibration, each component scored against its own baseline, so a developing fault is visible long before it becomes a failure. Maintenance stops being a calendar and becomes a consequence of the data. Work orders are raised, scheduled, and tracked in the same system, so preventive work happens before downtime, not after it. And for the boardroom, uptime, OEE, energy cost per unit, generated from live data not assembled by hand at quarter end. The board pack is one click, and it's never out of date. Mumbai plant, 4:12 in the morning. A compressor drifts off baseline. The on-call engineer is paged within a minute. By 4:40, the bearing is replaced, before the morning shift clocks in. Hours of downtime, never lost. From sensor to boardroom. One platform, every plant, decisions in real time. Wages by I-dacs. See what your plants have been trying to tell you.